Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Chevy Suburban. We're going to start right away up front where you have the front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side. You have 22-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. Your second row seats are heated seats, and you do have dual rear-facing entertainment centers here. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted to your heated steering wheel. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate controls as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Suburban on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.